Cabin X1. The first product on our list opens up a whole new approach to storing and transporting things while traveling. The Cabin X1 is a 2-in-1 solution developed by British designers. It's up to the owner to decide exactly how to use it. Cabin X1 has straps so that you can hang it behind your back during short walks. But for a long trip, the telescopic handle and several pairs of wheels will offer you comfort and convenience. The straps, however, don't get in the way as they're fixed by a zipper. It takes only a few seconds and a couple of movements to turn the backpack into a suitcase and back again. The capacity is 38 liters. A large number of pockets and partitions inside will help you keep things organized. The price of Cabin X1 starts at $107. Pixi Mini. The main feature of this backpack is the way it looks. It has a built-in screen that can display any image. Buy this backpack for only $90 and it will delight you every day with new designs. It's like having an endless amount of backpacks for all of your moods. You can simply select the picture in the mobile application. Moreover, absolutely every pixel can be changed, so Pixi Mini also improves your imagination while enabling you to fully express your individuality. Although it might seem fragile, the backpack has excellent durability. The display surface is flexible and is resistant to scratches, cold, and rain. But that's not all. Pixi Mini even lets you play games. Simple games, of course, like Tetris or Snake, but still. The capacity of the backpack is 15 liters, and it weighs only 800 grams. Lumzag. The designers of the following backpack are making a very bold statement. With Lumzag, you will never forget important things at work or at home again. The secret lies in a system that was invented specifically for this backpack. It consists of a set of sensors and stickers that are attached to your belongings. After setting up the mobile app, Lumzag will learn to distinguish between objects that are inside or outside the backpack. So if you left your keys or any other thing and left the building, your backpack will notice it and notify you through the app. But that's not all. Lumzag has a GPS tracker, so the owner will always be aware of its location. The inside lighting system will make it easy to use the backpack in the dark too. Security mode will keep things from being stolen. If the backpack is opened when the owner is away, the smartphone receives a notification. The built-in camera on the rear surface transmits the image to your smartphone in real time. Lumzag can also act as a Wi-Fi hotspot or a portable battery for charging gadgets. The price of this incredible backpack starts at $300. Pleat Pack. Take a look at traditional business backpacks. They're usually flat and can hold a very limited number of items, like a laptop or a tablet. However, despite these significant disadvantages, they are used by many people in the business community. But if you want to hit the gym after work, for example, you have to find another, more spacious backpack. Pleat Pack was designed for people who lead an active lifestyle and do not want to compromise. It has a foldable design and magically changes its capacity from 6 to 26.7 liters in a matter of seconds. The manufacturer also ensured safety. The backpack has a special protective panel and concealed zippers, making it impossible for a stranger to open it quickly. There is a side hook too that can be used to hook the backpack to a chair or bench. The Pleat Pack is available for $89. Hoverglide. Backpacks allow us to carry large and heavy loads more easily. That's because they optimally distribute the weight throughout our body. For many people, this level of comfort is enough. But some modern backpacks will literally take the weight out of your back. You are seeing an example on your screens right now. It's no coincidence that the manufacturer calls its invention Hoverglide. The backpack uses the laws of physics to reduce the weight load on the back and knees by 86%. The principle of operation is in fact quite simple. When a person is walking, their hips are constantly raised and lowered by 5 to 7 centimeters, and the backpack moves too. As the foot touches the ground, we feel a double load of weight as the backpack makes an inertial impact. Hoverglide uses compression rubber slings to fix the backpack in place, so the user doesn't feel any inertial impact. The manufacturer offers several models, with capacities from 28 to 55 liters. The price starts at $400. MovPack. Here's another advanced 3-in-1 backpack. MovPack not only turns into a suitcase with a handle and wheels, it can also offer you a ride, as it's a fully fledged electric personal transport. The board is placed at the back so as to not cause discomfort when you wear it. The top speed is 24 km per hour. After 2 hours of charging, the board can travel up to 10 km. The capacity of MovPack is 35 liters, and the price starts at $1,000. Howheel 12W. If you spend a lot of time on your phone, and by lunchtime your battery's running low, this backpack can be a real salvation, because its main feature is a flexible solar panel. On sunny days, it generates enough power to recharge your gadgets. The backpack is comfortable and is made of breathable material, and at the same time you don't have to worry about the safety of your electronics inside, as the surface is water resistant. The price starts at $84. Pet backpack. Interestingly, in addition to traditional backpacks, there are different models that allow you to take your pet when you travel. The video shows two models, which differ slightly from each other in appearance. Both of them, however, are designed to take care of your pet. The finish on the inside is made of a soft and nice material. There are plenty of ventilation openings to allow your pet to breathe as well. There are additional doors for a quick and easy access, and of course, part of the backpack is transparent so that your pet won't get bored on the trip. The price ranges from $140 to $250. Keyback. The last backpack we're going to show today will help you express your feelings in a new way, and at the same time will be an unusual way of communicating with others. On the outside, Keyback is equipped with a 1044 pixel color display. You can display pictures, text, or any other content using the official app. In addition, the developers equipped Keyback with a built-in battery for recharging, USB ports, and most interestingly, a 10-watt speaker. They managed to fit all this in a backpack that weighs under 2 kilograms. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.